Hello everyone, in today's video we'll be showing you how to use OBS to record Roblox in 2025. So, if this video helps you out, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like these. Now, to get started, what you want to do is once you've opened up OBS, you want to go ahead and create a brand new scene under the plus tab. Once you've created a new scene, in the sources tab, what you want to do is you have two options. You can either add a display capture to capture your entire screen, which is an effective strategy in my opinion, so that you can show everything that you need and nothing will be cut out and there will be no issues. But if you want to display only Roblox or only any game for that matter, you want to head over to Game Capture and you will receive a pop-up that'll allow you to record and select the specific .exe executable, which would be Roblox's player. Now, what you want to do if you selected display capture is you want to head over to properties and you want to make sure that your correct display is selected and your capture method is set to automatic. So after you've selected all of these, you want to make sure your audio is correct. You want to have your desktop a little bit lower than your mic so that your mic isn't blown out by the audio so that people can hear you clearly. You also want to make sure that in your settings tab in the bottom right corner, you want to make sure that your output is properly recording in the correct path to whichever C or D drive you wish to have. You want to make sure you have your recording quality set to high quality medium file size. This is the best balance of recording quality. And you want to make sure your format is set to MPEG-4, which is also just MP4. So you can also adjust other things. You can have hotkeys if you would like to easily start recording in the middle of a session. I just have these ones, but you can have whatever you like. After you mess with those settings, you can click OK. And once you open up Roblox and you click any game you like, you can go ahead and open up OBS and start recording and playing your game. After all that's said and done, you can click the stop recording and your video will be saved in the path you selected. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped. If it did, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos coming soon. Goodbye.